Latino, banging bodies, no, push back, basket down. Pakalawang game pa lang ang magkabilang kapunan. Number 21 attacking, nice pass. Gotis too strong. Offensive rebound, Dallas. Number 21. One, nakalamakampi. Stolen by Mangalindan. Tupingol, guards the layup. Dapat mabilis. Si Kanko, drop pass, nice passing. Gotis, number 6, si Kanko. Alipio, the crossover. Alipio, the ball fake. Pass it outside to Kanko, bounce away. Free! Now it's Alipio, so Pingol. Pingol will attack. Pingol stops it again. That's an 11-0 run. 281, advancing on the bar. Inside, Mangalindan to Pingol. Ang ganda naman ang play na yun. Basta sa riyan, reset tayo 14. Gabiola, open. That's it. Ito, Agustin. Good defense by Pingol. Sinabayan, no problem. What a play. Si Kanko, open na open yan. Caught snap. And downtown, short. Offensive rebound. Nice again, passing. Si Gabiola, nabitawan. Stolen by. Agustin is open. Gets the left-handed layup. Ayan pa. Agaw, ang dami na yan. Interception. Bounce, baseball pass. Agustin. What a play. Agustin. Inbound lang yan for Team BCC. Gabiola. Duka. Low post. The spin. And around jumper. Good. Dito Willas ang kamino. Dini-open pass. Throw jumper. Nothing but net. Ito naman, Bitug. Binigbilitan ng ball flight. Naku may agad! Ladrino. Ayaw sa agad sa kaliwa naman. Season. Alipio, atake na naman. Alipio, lumagpas. Basket down. Spike kasama. B2. Guzman. Good defense from Bolis Life. Gotis, si Kanko is open. Ayun na, pabayaan. But short on that three. Offensive rebound. Duka, nag-iisang ikaw. Gets the basket. What's do? Alipio, kanino ba ibibigay? Ayun kay Duka. Enforcement lead. Castro inside the Grillo jumper. Gets the basket. Pingol, high Harper. No, wala the offensive rebound. Duka, naniniyasa. Duka. Sama the kill. Si Guzman, in the middle. Ang daming matching. Alipio. Naku, ang tabirin na naman. Ang dami niyan. 14 Kanko to Tapang. Duka sa ilalim. Gets the fake. But not the basket. Another one. Basket down. Wait for his three teammates. Si Kanko on top of the key. Tapang fires. Three! Offensive rebound season. Cruz again. Yes, finally. Pingol. Side-stepping. Naku, nakalusot ang gandang galawan. Kick out. B2. Kick out. Season. Drills it. Three. Life on his life, Gotis to Alipio, nice pass. Pingol, over the defense. Pingol, Duka is open. Wala. Pingol, masagad. Off target naman yung pass. Ayun, pinabayaan pa ang depensa. Agustin is all alone for the layup. Vito to Agustin. Ayan na naman. Pass it down. Well, kasama ng foul. Gotis will attack. Now on bola, another steal. Ocampo to Agustin. Agustin out of away. Mangalindan. Lima na 12. Pingol. Vito escape. Perfect. Mangalindan. Easy to take some of the big nice moves. Ocampo, kick out. Ragero to Agustin. The super top. Hesi, manabot. Nagkapi pa sa A. Ocampo, safe. Nakatulog yung Luka, huli, no, Makalingka recover, Rocky, stay away, afterclass. Halo, nice kick out, bounce away, bang! He's on, kick out, Agustin, the super sub. Uy, muntikan pa. Alipio, crossover pass. Another one! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, napaganda pa. Buti na lang, sabi ng BC. Alipio, fake. Alipio, slow-mo move. Si Kanko. Powering up. B2 is open. B2 will attack. Drop pass. Nice one. Good. Oh, yun. Stolen by si Kanko. Nice pass. Alipio is up ahead. He goes away. Pass. Naku. Pangit na pagkakabitaw ng pasa. Advancing. Yes. Alipio. Stolen by si Kanko. It's 4 against 2. Tuka. Back to si Kanko. Pinabayaan. Ikaw pa! Magaling na Boston! Si Kanko! It's wide open! Pinabayaan! No! Offensive rebound! That is Panabat!